Welcome to Eureka Math. I'm Mr. Shankel. I'm going to be helping you today with Module 3, Lesson 28, and this is Part 3. Let's get going. We left off with the snack bar, so we're going to work on finding the missing parts of the snack bar part of the problem. So we can see that actually, let me remind you that the amount of discount and the percent saved are connected. If I use percent saved, it will help me find the amount of discount. And then likewise, when I move this, let's see, let me get a new, that one will work, I guess. Percent paid is connected to sales price. All right, so right now, I can see that the amount of discount is something that I have, but I don't have the percent saved. Or I have the percent paid, but I don't have the sales price. So I need to find a little more information here. And the first thing I know is if I'm paying 75%, then I'm not paying 25%. So there's my first thing. And now I can use these two because they're connected. So my part to whole ratio is 25 per 100. 25% means 25 per 100 is equal to 0.25. Well, that's the part that I don't pay. So that's here, the part, 0.25. All right? And then I need to know the whole. Well, how can I change 25 into 100? Well, I multiply by 4. So over here, I'm also going to multiply by 4, and that makes it $1. So I know the snack bar originally cost $1. If the original price is $1 and I'm not paying 75 cents, then I am paying the difference, not paying 25%, I am paying the difference, which is 75%. So there is, there's 75 cents. There it is. All right, so remember, they're connected. Amount of discount is found using percent saved, and percent paid helps you find sales price, and the original is the whole. All right, there's one more problem I want to make sure that you know how to do before the test on Friday, and it's this. 300 feet per minute is how many miles per hour? So that's what we're going to try to figure out here. And what I want you to do is unit analysis. So we start with what we have. We have 300 feet over 1 minute. So that's what we begin with. Now, I want to get rid of feet and change them into miles. And I want to get rid of minutes and change those into hours. So I'm going to need two different conversion rates. So let's do the feet to hours first. I want to get rid of feet. So I need to make them opposite sides. So this one is on top, so I put mine on the bottom. Okay, so we're going to make them so that one's on top, one's on the bottom. And the reason why is feet divided by feet is 1. They cancel out. They're going to go away, and I'm going to change the feet into miles. All right? Now, the only question is, how many feet are in a mile? The answer, 5,280 feet in 1 mile. I'm going to give you that conversion rate, so you don't have to remember it. So there's the first one. This is going to allow me to cancel the feet and get miles for my answer. That's what I want. Now, I also want to get rid of minutes. So I'm going to put minutes on top. And I want to change the minutes into hours. How many minutes in an hour? 60. And look what happens to the minutes. Minutes cancel. I'm left with hours. So the answer to my problem is going to be miles per hour. And that's exactly what I wanted. Now all I have to do is some math. 300 times 300 times 60. Well, if I do 300 times 60, I get 18,000. So that goes on top, 18,000 miles. And on the bottom is 1 times 5,280 times 1. Well, that's 5,280 hours. So it's 18,000 miles in 5,280 hours. Well, that is a rate, but I want the unit rate. So I need to divide 18,000 divided by 5,280. And when you do that, you get 3.4 miles per hour. So 300 feet per minute is 3.4 miles per hour. You're going to need to be able to convert a rate to a different rate using the unit analysis method. Okay? Hope that helps. I'll see you again next time.